Hey guys, what is up? Just coming back with another trade review. I know it's been a few days. I've had so many things going on the past week or so with the kids going back to school, and it's just been nuts. So today is Friday, September 1st, and I thought I would just do a quick review on the trades I took today. And as of late, it's unusual for me to take so many trades. I have becoming accustomed to scalping off larger time frames, so I'm starting to get good or building my confidence in taking multiple trades or looking at things simultaneously. And I think this just comes with time, screen time, building your confidence and experience. And I had a few things on my list today. Most notably, what I was looking at taking was it Docu? Yes, Docu was the first trade that I took, and this was off a larger time frame. And again, in my PM prep, I kind of go through these in the evening when my bias is, I don't have a bias, I'm just looking at the charts, I don't have any pressure on me. And this was a long or a bounce off the 50 on the daily, and then I just look at what the price did at the open in relation to the tape and level 2, and just kind of what price action is doing. Also, I have an eye on the market. I'm looking at the SPY, the Qs, IWM, and it did push. I added in perfect. I mean, I was happy with this entry, just a little shy, but I was quick on the entry and I partialed all the way out, and then I got a little bit too overconfident and I re-added. I should have waited for more of a pullback, and so I lost. The stops are tight on this. I lost 1R on this trade, and then I switched over to LVS, and this again, you can see larger time frame. I had a range on the 60, and the daily, I believe, also was around a moving average. Yes, this was a bounce off the daily 200 right here. You can see it. So my thought process was let it come up to the 200 on the day, see how it interacts, and it just so happened to coincide with a 60-minute time frame. So I waited for it to come back to PDC. This was my entry initially, stop entry that I missed because I was looking at Docu or HPQ. And so I still had an opportunity to get in here. We were a little bit extended, but I thought maybe I can take it at this level, squeeze a quick 2.5, 3R out of it. And it's just wonky price action. It was a little spready as well. And there's just something weird happened. There's a big order that went through or a cover. And I didn't like the way it looked or it felt, and I just bailed. Took like a 5-minute break, 10-minute break. And then I came back. I was looking at Nike, Mara. This one I'm not very comfortable with the movement on this, but the one that I was happy with was Futu. And this was a parabolic reversal based on the 15-minute time frame that coincided with a level. Now, normally I don't take these, but being so in tune with price action and having so much time under my belt and just constantly watching this day after day, I typically don't take something with RVOL this high. And you can see it stalled here with volume, and this was also spready. I think it had a 5 or 10 cent spread. I'm really not used to trading stuff like this, and it's jumpy, so you can see the price move so violently, and I just had my finger on the trigger. I'm waiting just to bail out of this trade because I didn't like the way it looked, but I was so happy with the way this 15-minute setup. We're past the ATR. I like to at least very minimum on my 5-minute reversals or 80% ATR. That coincides with the level on the 60 or the daily. And I really couldn't see too many signals on the level 2 or the tape, and I shorted here. I just held. It didn't really give me any reason to partial or to get out or bail. So thought process was get in here. I'm waiting for it to break this the previous 15-minute low, and then I just ride it down. Normally I like to see the price come down to either VWAP or a level that I have marked, or the 9 on the 15. And I hit my target here, and that was it for Friday. I thought that because today is a holiday, or we're not today, we're leading into a weekend holiday, I think traditionally we have a little bit less less volume in the market on a Friday. People moving around, vacation, long weekend, and so after this Futu trade, I called it a day. Did my journaling, and did my post, doing my recap, my YouTube, And that is it. So yeah, it's been a good month. August was a great month. I closed August just around 18R, and things are really improving. Hopefully everybody else had a great trading day and also ended August well. And again, I always end these with, anybody has any questions, please comment in the video, send me a DM or email. I'd be glad to answer any questions that you have in regards to my style, or my setups, or anything to do with trading. I hope everybody has a good weekend, good day, and I'll see you soon. Peace.